That's me.
What's up guys, so in today's video we are going to be doing a Domino's mukbang. I have not done one of these in a while and I decided to do it with my friends.
Your best friends, your only friends.
We are the Powerpuff Girls. I'm pretty sure that's Power Rangers. There's no way that Powerpuff Girls.
I don't know.
Anyways, whatever. We got Domino's. We're really hungry. We have pizza. She has her healthy little vegetable pasta. It's literally off the screen because I don't really like it. But we have this little buffalo chicken stuff that is literally the best thing ever. And then pasta. And then I have a little ranch cup. You think that's cute?
Yeah.
Okay.
So what's up?
I'm literally so excited that we're eating this. Domino's is just so much better in California. Domino's sucks in Arizona.
Really?
Yeah, this tastes really good.
It does taste really good, probably because it's a little bit cold.
I only like pizza at room temperature, so this is perfect.
Is that garlic?
Yeah.
We asked you if you wanted sauce.
I literally asked if you wanted sauce.
I don't recall.
You
I didn't
stared
want
at
to share
us.
it with
You
you.
forget that I got garlic?
I literally asked you if you wanted sauce
I really
and you
don't want
stared
to
at
share
me.
this with you.
And so
Like,
I
I'm
said,
really
okay.
fucking for real.
We have some pasta.
There's only one?
Yeah.
Yeah, because we literally asked you.
You can have it.
Whoops.
Oh my god, I can't.
Holy shit, that pasta.
I'm eating too fast. I always do this.
Here, I poured it on my pizza. You can have it.
What?
I poured it on my pizza, so you could just have it.
Yeah, but you need it slower.
Wait, yeah.
So this is longer.
Yeah. We need to be talking, that's why.
Yeah.
Okay.
So guys, we were supposed to have a productive day today and we did not. Well, sort of, kind of. We were supposed to film your video, but we did not.
Which we're gonna. After this video, we're gonna go film it.
Mario has said 10 different times that he wanted to make this video and he
dead
said
ass.
no.
No, dead ass
For real.
after this.
So stay tuned.
Carly and I literally talked about it. We're gonna go film it after this video.
Okay.
And if not, you...
And if not, see? If not, guys.
Okay, no. Yeah, we're going. We're doing this. We're doing the damn thing. It's not even gonna take that long, is it? It's not even that much work.
No, it really is not. I know, it's so good.
So we're just lazy, huh?
It's like chicken and then it has cheese on it and then it's buffalo sauce.
Love that there's literally a rager downstairs.
I definitely want to try that. It looks red.
You guys are honestly ignoring me, and I'm not
It's
about
chicken.
it.
No, it's a rager down there. I literally heard you.
Yeah, and said nothing back.
Sometimes I think I just reply to people in my head.
That
I'm
is
like,
so
oh yeah.
Me on my phone, replying to people.
I want
Seriously.
this cheese. This is amazing, I know.
Don't ever text Mario, he's so bad.
It's
Is
so
that
good.
olive? No, it's not okay.
I low-key hate when people say I suck at texting. Like, that's you trying to say like, like I'm too good at answer people. Like, shut up. When people say I suck at
Literally, where
texting.
did the sport come from?
You do.
Did
No,
I-
yeah, but like,
you
I know what
guys
it
each have a
sounds
fork.
like, yeah.
yeah,
So
it
I've
sounds
been using
like
2 forks.
no one cares about your forks. We're having a totally
I just
different
literally got
conversation.
confused. If I didn't call this is my video, so I'm confused.
So talk about your fork then.
People would be like, why is Mario so mean? And I'll be like, that's what I want to know. How's your vegetable pasta?
So good.
Maddie, if you somehow make me look mean in this video, you're insane.
How
I'm
am I
like,
gonna
you
make-
bully me.
How am I literally gonna make you look mean? Like, the camera speaks for itself.
You're like, the footage is
The
there.
proof is in the pudding, buddy.
Yeah, there we go.
I literally brought the napkins over and I didn't even grab them.
I love them.
Hey.
I really need to go to the gym when I get home.
Every time I eat, I think about how fat I am, but then I just keep eating.
No, like, genuinely makes me happy eating. It's like my sanity.
I look forward to it. That's all I think about all day. What am I gonna eat next?
Mario wanted to be skinny before the pool the other day, so he's like, I'm not gonna eat, and I ordered McDonald's.
Not gonna eat like a banana.
Yeah.
I didn't eat.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But you 100% did not eat.
No.
And
The
we ate
pasta.
our, I know, we ate our body weight in mashed potatoes and mac and cheese.
So much, and it honestly made me not like it.
That's what I just said. But today I thought about it. I was like, ew.
Oh, I can always eat mashed potatoes.
No, I'm insane.
The mac and cheese was
Not
too
the mac
much.
and cheese.
The mac and cheese was not it, but like also the white truffle one's like also not it.
No,
So
I
I'm
think
kinda
that was
confused.
it.
No, we should go to Urban Cafe. Like, it's literally by Nick's house and it's so good.
I love Urban Outfitters.
Okay. Okay. I love Urban Outfitters. We should go to Urban Cafe. No, it's Urban Plates, I think is what it's called. What?
I went to Earth Cafe.
Oh.
Have you went to Earth Cafe?
What?
We're talking
Yeah.
about. I've been to it, yeah.
I think we all sing.
What? Literally, why haven't we gone to Crave yet? Because you've never been. We should.
We should
really
go.
serve
She kind
there.
of feels hard, so that makes
What
me
is she?
curious. Bro, it's
God, you're
buffalo
so
chicken.
picky with your damn food.
Buffalo chicken with cheese. Okay, fucking eat a tendon. Bitch. I don't give a shit. I will not eat a tendon. Like, get out of my face.
I can't. A tendon.
Really what?
Mm.
This pasta's really good.
It's my favorite thing.
It really is amazing. Like, so much better than my cheesecake pasta. And this pasta
What
is like
cheesecake pasta did you get?
the Bellagio. I thought it was gonna be so good. Like, looking at it, I was like,
I forgot we got cheesecake. Like, what about my mac and cheese balls? Are they still good?
yeah, literally, you can have food in the fridge for like a day or two. Oh my god, we should eat cheesecake after this. I get so up some cheesecake. My cheesecake. I got
Well, I
Reese's
finished
peanut
my
butter.
cheesecake.
Oh, can't relate. I have mine. Do you like mine?
Never tried it.
I like the cinnamon one. There's like actual cinnamon bun in it.
Oh, that would be amazing. We literally all eat so fast.
I know.
This has only been going for 8 minutes.
Bro, I'm almost done my whole thing. This is totally gonna fuck up my stomach.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I'm gonna feel so sick after this, 100%.
I can literally feel my stomach just
We're literally
hurting.
not going to be able to move at the hotel. Like, if a man with a gun chases us, we're done.
No,
We're
literally
dead.
though.
I would
100%.
vomit. Sorry. Traffic.
I really don't want the big slice, but I also don't want the small one. Which one do you want?
I
big
can do the big one.
Okay, I good.
Oh, I don't want to do this.
Anyways.
It hurts. My stomach hurts.
I cannot wait to go home and only eat cashews for a week.
What? You should literally make a video. I ate
Pistachios,
cashews.
no pistachios, I like pistachio.
Literally
They
make
actually
a
have a lot of
video.
calories.
No, I'm pretty sure pistachios are healthy for you.
What?
Pistachios? I think those are
Yeah,
good
they are,
for
but they
us.
have a lot of calories.
Like how much?
All nuts have a lot of calories.
What the hell am I supposed to eat then? It's supposed to make me skinny.
Celery juice.
I would literally never.
I know, that's your biggest nightmare.
I 100% love myself too much. I feel like everyone says it's so gross. So if normal people think it's gross, could you just imagine what I would think it would be like?
I honestly don't mind it, but I like everything.
What?
I
Celery
can't believe
juice.
that I literally look like that one Powerpuff Girl. Like the black hair. And the green,
That's
like
green.
I look.
That's
Is
so
there a
funny.
blue one? The blue one's blonde.
Yeah, I love her. Bubbles, she's my favorite.
Bubbles.
What is my girl name?
This fucking
Literally,
devil dog.
please, like literally a little dinosaur, like 100% like a little miniature dinosaur.
Bro.
It literally looks like
Oh
a
my
blue
god.
one.
Oh my god, it's coming up here.
Does it like eat?
I don't know, it doesn't look like it eats at all. Do they even feed it?
Does he like choose not to eat or like what?
No, he's just skinny.
It's a he?
She.
It's a she?
Shit.
What was its name? Lumen. What's up, yo?
I'm literally so scared right now.
It's a she.
Isn't that like a board name? Or no?
It's honestly why it confuses me.
Yeah, it kind of confuses me because it
It
kind of looks like a boy
confuses me
too.
Your dog's a girl or a boy?
A girl. They're both are girls. I do not want them to have their periods. But at least it doesn't happen for like 6 months, it says, or something like that.
Are you not gonna get them
On
like
Google.
fixed?
Yeah, I'm going to. Well, I don't know what the other one is, but like I'm definitely fixing mine. If that bitch ever popped out babies, I probably would kill myself.
Be honest,
When are you supposed to do that? Like,
bitch.
how old are they?
What?
It's supposed to be when you get them fixed.
I I think like 8 months. Oh my god, dude, it seriously looks like a freaking person, low-key.
I can't.
No, I'm not.
No, I really can't.
Doesn't Kylie Jenner have a dog like that? Okay. What is that dog even called?
Greyhound or something?
That
Literally
is
get the off me.
I finished all my food.
Do you want some more chicken?
No. Why am I petting it?
Does it look weird?
I'm so full.
Oh my god, someone needs to cut her nails. Her nails
I
should
need
not be that
water
long.
Paris's nails are that long.
Dua Lipa's FaceTime with someone.
It's Bianca. Answer it.
Yeah.
Hi. Okay, guys. So I think we're tapping out. We basically ate it all though.
Wait, no,
I ate all
don't
mine.
eat it.
Eat it. Do you eat
I haven't
any
even
of that?
tried it.
You
No, I
didn't
haven't
eat any
even
of that.
tried it. I'm excited to try this.
Then go.
What does it taste like? How do you
It's
eat it?
chicken, cheese, and with like a fork, or you can pick it up.
I'm picking it.
I don't like chicken and I think it's really good.
Yeah, she does not like chicken. Oh my god, you do not like chicken and you tried it. Well, I'm really proud of you.
Yeah.
That's why you didn't want chicken Alfredo.
Yeah.
Okay, I remember. How do you feel? I don't think he likes it. 100%. You
So
do not like
dramatic,
it. Do you like it?
I thought I was adjusting, but I'm not. No, it's f***ing gross.
I liked it.
I liked it too.
Ew.
Okay, anyways, so
Ew.
guys, that's basically it for our mukbang. This is pro. Can you calm down?
I hate him.
It's
Okay,
so
anyways.
dramatic, so dramatic. But yeah, guys, that is basically it for our video. I have to burp.
Ew.
He hates that, and I literally do because he
I
hates
hate
it so
it
much.
too.
Lemon,
No, I
bitch,
hate
get
it
out of
too.
my
If anyone
room.
did that to me, I would literally punch them in their face. But I just love doing it to him because I like to piss him off. Is there something on my mouth? Because you totally touched your mouth when you looked at mine.
Yeah, wait, yeah. Okay, you're fine.
We literally both win. Okay, guys, that is basically it for our video. I hope that you guys enjoyed this. Let us know if you want more videos of us. You're so annoying. Like, it's impossible to make a video with you. Because you're annoying. He's so offended. I'm just kidding. I'm not kidding. Well, can you look at me again? Can I like to see my yourself in your
Okay,
eyes?
just
No, seriously, like 100% you can see the neon green in your eyes. It's kind of crazy. But yeah, don't forget to follow me on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat if you guys want to see what the heck I do with my life. I don't do anything, but like, you know, it might be exciting. Also, follow me on TikTok because I'm gonna become TikTok famous.
Me too.
Love that.
2019, we're all gonna become TikTok famous.
I guess I'm on board now.
Yeah, so do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you guys are new and click the little bell so you guys will be notified when I post a video. I have a bunch of videos on my notes, and so I'm really like planning out my 2019, so like get the ready. But yeah, I love you guys so much, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye guys.